Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to do a quick video on this kit. I've looked at this thing. I bought this, man, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago from Ollie's. I know a lot of you guys don't have Ollie's, but this kit came from an Ollie's. It's a discount store. I've done a video on what an Ollie's is, but I bought it for like 20 bucks. I thought it was neat because it comes with 2 kits and a trailer. But the plastic I did take off of it when I got it, but I never really looked at it. And what got me interested here, and what I want to do this video for, is this. It comes with a 40 Ford coupe. And the one that they've got, they've made it all beat up, rusted looking. And which is really cool, but what I wanted to do was compare to see how it compares to I have an AMT 40 Ford. It is not a coupe. It is the sedan delivery that I'm going to build for the YouTube content creators build off. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this kit up. I'm going to unbag everything because I've not opened anything. It's just the way it came. I didn't look at anything, I didn't do anything. And I just want to look at this 40 Ford. I want to look at the truck, but you've seen a bunch of builds of that truck, which they say it's just completely a wreck to build. And then you have some guys, you know, it's all a matter of opinion. It's like MPC and Revell. Some guys, the guys who like MPC, they're not that bad. The guys who like Revell, MPC is the worst thing ever. This is a Lindberg, and this is an old mold. This kit came from old molds. So here's the 44. So I think all of this, I want you to look at the bag full of tires here. Holy cow. There's the 44 tires over here. And the glass for the 44 right there. All the rest of this looks like it's, well, they have the chrome. Let me unload this. I'll never get all this stuff back in the box like it's supposed to be. So, should have a chrome tree. Yep. Oh, cool. Look at the mag wheels it comes with. Not too shabby. Huh. Pretty darn cool. Alright. Get this box out of the way here. Here's the tires. They're just little thin, period correct tires. Not going to look at those. I just want to kind of compare the two. The body that I have the AMT sedan delivery. You know, from here forward, it's pretty much going to be the same thing. I just want to compare chassis. Got the hood. Just want to see what it looks like in comparison to the AMT. So, get this thing opened up. These actually are just taped. Alright. Get a little flash going on there. That's okay. Alright, so, oh. I see something already that's... No, it's not. No, it's not. I'm about to say I thought it was different. Let me pause the video. I'm going to cut this off, and I'll be right back. Okay, got that cut off. First thing that I notice is it's just covered with flash. And that's okay because, you know, flash is just a part of being a modeler. You deal with it. No kit is perfect. It's got like a custom grill here. Look at that. I guess you could like paint it. Looks like that's what that is. Custom type of grill. I would really like, I have not looked into this kit's origin as a Lindberg kit. I guess it started life as Lindberg. I don't know. Maybe you guys in the comments could tell me. Did it start as a Lindberg kit, or did it somewhat like some MPC kits or some AMT kits used to be MPC kits when the company got bought? But anyway, all right. Well, I had to go back and look at this, guys. I know this is right in the middle of the video, but okay. So here's the 40 Ford Coupe by Lindberg, and to my surprise, it's not old at all. It was originally released in this one is 1991. This is as early back as I can find that it goes. You go to their history, and Lindberg 1944, and it goes. Let me see. There's this thing. It doesn't have any more history. See, we go all the way back to the 60s here with AMT and NPC and such, but you don't have anything here until 1991. Isn't that crazy? So my assumption that this was from old molds and the reason it had like a lot of flash is not true at all. So I guess, unless I'm missing something, unless they acquired molds from someone else that were old, but it says, actually says right here, it says new tool, initial release and new tool. So I can't but think that this is just lower quality, you know, and there's nothing wrong with it. I think it would probably build up to a pretty decent car. This build they have here on this box looks so basic. I mean, it almost looks like they molded it in pink and he just built it in pink, or whoever built it. But anyway, I might build that car. I just wanted to stop by real fast because sometimes I ask questions that I could actually find the answer to, and then I'm like, why didn't I think of just looking on ScaleMates? So, all right, back to the video. You got Bob. Anyway, all right, so let's look at these together. So first, take off the bodies. See what we can tell if there's any difference here. Pretty close. It looks like in between the grill where the chrome grill goes, it looks a little wider. Oh, and I do see also that there is like a seam in the middle of this and not in the AMT. So the Lindberg has, it's like seamed, or it has an extra rib that goes up it. Interesting. Very close. I see a few little differences. It's a little wider right here. The Lindberg is a little more narrow where it fits down onto the chassis. Pretty cool. I've never really done a comparison of two different manufacturers. Here's the Lindberg body compared to the pretty close. The details on the firewall are obviously a little different, which I don't know if they really used real photographs or if they just kind of made that stuff up. All right, now I'd like to see this. Will this fit on this chassis? It darn sure would. It wouldn't take much work at all. Not that you would want to do that. It does seem the body is a little thicker maybe right here. Doesn't want to fit down in there as good. But I bet you, if you cleaned it up, look at that. Lindberg body sits right down on top of that. You could actually build that. I'll be honest with you guys. That would build. You could do this and probably totally disguise the fact that you put a Lindberg body on the fenders of a. Now that one fits right in there. So the Lindberg's got a little bit more length. Okay, that is what it is. You can notice right here. See the gap? So the Lindberg body must be a little bit deeper or something. I don't know. I ain't got a clue. All right, I want to look at the chassis. Pop this off of here. Compare the mufflers in the same place. They look really, really close. I do see a difference right here. It's cut out. This one's not. Really close. A few little ribs here, extra ribs. AMT is smooth. Now this is where the difference is. The width right here, this is a little wider on the AMT. This probably will fit in, but the AMT frame probably would not fit in the Lindberg kit. These pieces are a little wider here. They don't want to fit up into the body. What the heck? Okay. Yeah, and then I'm gonna check the hood. I don't want to pop the hood off. I'm afraid I'll hurt the hood if I just pop it off. That hood probably would fit right on there. Very interesting how they're very similar. Okay, so the AMT has a little different angle on the hood. It doesn't want to come up as far forward as the Lindberg hood would fit on the AMT. Very interesting. Well, I'm not going to open the old Dodge up. Look at this, how much styrene this thing has. Look at that, huge. That is one more flatbed. That thing's like an oversized load flatbed. And all the chassis parts and all. I don't know if I'll ever build that darn thing. Maybe, wouldn't it be cool to see that old cab over, like Pro Streeted or something like that? Wouldn't that be awesome? That would be an idea. Well, boring video, guys, I know. Sorry. Here's the glass. I wonder if it fits up in there. Probably won't, because I've got a sedan delivery rather than a coupe. But all in all, it's really, really, really similar. And I just wanted to do this comparison. I looked up on my shelf and I said, you know what? I wonder if that would fit that. So I got it down. Decided I would give her a whirl. And it looks like you probably could do that. So if you have a Lindberg kit and you're missing some parts for an AMT kit, I bet it would fit. And if you had a Lindberg kit that was missing some parts and you had an AMT kit, I bet you could take those parts and interchange them. And it's not that bad. They talk about the truck being a bad build, but I don't think this car would be. I might have to build this car. I may have to do that, because it's got some like major parting lines right there, though. I mean, but those would all, you could sand that all down. Oh boy, I just noticed those. Holy moly. Which that's just a big huge piece of flash, but right there, it would definitely take some cleanup work, to say the least. A lot of cleanup, but I think you could build this kit. Probably would end up looking really, really nice. Here's the seats. They look nice. I don't know if the detail is lower quality than the AMT. I also have a monogram. Is it monogram? I have monogram 40 Ford Coupe 125th. I would be interested in opening that kit and looking to see what the differences are too, but I'm not going to do that on this video. Just a quick video, guys. Thanks for watching. Just something that caught my attention. Didn't know if maybe some of you guys have built this. If you have, tell me, how did it build? Outside of cleaning all the parting lines in the flash, did it build good? Could you tell a difference in that and the 40 Ford AMT kit? Yeah, just let me know. It's cool. I like to see new things that's been on my shelf for a while, and I look up and I think, what about that? So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not already subscribed, please go and do so. Helps me out tremendously. Thank you for getting me to where I am already. Also, if you have not gone to our Facebook group, I'd invite you to go over to Model Car Videos Facebook group, link in the description below, and join our Facebook group. We're having a build off at this time. The recording of this video, it is, I think, September the 18th or 19th. It's Wednesday, or it's Tuesday, 2021, and we're having a build off, and oh boy, there are some great builds going on our Facebook group. So go over there and check that out. If you have not already gone over to Hobby Nut Models, Mark over at Hobby Nut is a supporter of mine, and I appreciate that. And I want to promote his website as much as possible. So go over to Hobby Nut Models, buy a kit if you haven't, go get some supplies, and do all those things that an online hobby shop allows you to do. Support the little guy. That's what we need to do. So many times the little guy is overlooked because of convenience or price, and then when they're gone, we're stuck with these big box names that sometimes aren't as good, to be frank. So go over, support Hobby Nut Models if you haven't already. If you have, thank you very much. And I am done, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the comparison. Although these aren't the exact same body styles, they're pretty darn close from about here forward in the chassis and all those things. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you've built this kit. Tell me if it was a good kit to build or not. And we'll see you later. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.